In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate what might appear at first to be a subtle difference in how AscentialTest recognizes and defines application objects from other testing solutions that you may have encountered. But the implications on test maintenance are very significant. I'm going to show you a representation of the document object model for two different versions of the same application page. Here's the web page for the first version of the target application. A web table element was used with rows and cells that contained the fields that we're interested in using for the automated test. The pick quantity, the shortage reason, the storage location. Here they are in the hierarchy. Now we'll compare to the latest version of the same page. In this version, the web developer did not use a web table. Instead, the GUI is constructed with a succession of web blocks, the bottom of which contains the fields that we're interested in using. Again, picked quantity, shortage reason, and storage location. Not only are the types of elements used to implement that table different, but the depth of the hierarchy and the relationship between the elements is not at all similar. In the first version, there are 8 levels to get to the elements of interest. In the second version, there are 11. But notice how AscentialTest recognizes the fields with a single set of object definitions. As I click on them, notice how they highlight in the original version and in the newer version. And the step that sets the values to the rows in the table and submits the form is not impacted by the change in object definitions at all. No other testing solution that we're aware of can come close to the powerful object recognition features of AscentialTest. Instead of spending your valuable time on hacks and tricks to make up for shortcomings in object recognition, with AscentialTest, you can concentrate on building tests.